Alright guys, so I hope you really enjoyed today's video. This was a blast to make. Of course, I make the roses all the time in different ways and different configurations and different styles, but this is really the first time that I've grouped a bunch of them together for a single sculpture. And it's definitely the first time I've ever attempted to do a vase or a vase-like object. It was a lot of fun, relatively simple. I hope that the video format was easy enough to follow along. This one in particular, I went into it with the mindset that it was going to be for sale at our store, but after some consideration and working on this thing all day, my wife is actually away at a wrestling tournament for one of my sons, and she always outdoes herself on absolutely everything, whether it be my birthday, whether it be a holiday, Father's Day, it doesn't matter. She always goes above and beyond, and she always manages to find the most unique things that fit my eclectic personality. And roses are very special to her and I. And now I've made her roses in the past, but I've gotten better at them over time. So she doesn't know this, but to my beautiful wife, the one that makes everything in this shop possible, that makes my existence on YouTube, my ability to operate a business, to do and achieve the things in life that I want to do, I cannot thank my wife enough. And so she doesn't know this, but Laura Hasty, I love you, sweetheart, with all my heart. Happy Valentine's Day. This is for you. And I'm going to clear coat it now. I'll do some finished shots of it. If you're interested in something like this, if you think this is something that I should do more of, maybe smaller, larger, and should maybe possibly carry in the store, let me know. But this one's the first, this one's special, and it's going to somebody very special. So, and Valentine's Day is actually very important to us as well. Not to be all sappy or anything, but Valentine's Day was kind of our official, we're a couple, yeah, we're not going to get into that. But anyway, I appreciate you guys. Check back with us again next week. I should have a new video coming at you. Haven't really decided what we're going to do yet. If you have a suggestion, drop it down in the comments or shoot me a message. And again, make sure to check out facebook.com/EP Ironworks. And as much as it wouldn't be possible without my wife, it wouldn't be possible without all of you guys. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.